Hi and welcome. I'm Lisa. Thanks for joining me here for another card video. Today I'm sharing how I created this Glam gift card holder using the Narrow Card and Bookmark with envelope and bonus dies by Trinity Stamps, along with a few other products that'll be listed below and over on my website in the blog post for this video. Now, I used the candy jar die from Trinity Stamps along with some gold foil paper so I can create a shaker jar to add a little bit more glam to the envelope, since this is going to be what holds my gift. Now, I've run both of those dies from the candy jar set through my die cutting machine and then just trimmed the top part of the jar off. And I'm just going to set that aside for now. I'm using 12 by 12 paper from Gal Meets Glam. It's my Mind's Eye paper kit. This is the lip service paper. Now that's the front of our envelope. This die set comes with everything you need to create your envelope and the insert for your envelope. And then this is what creates the sides to your envelope. Now, if you're using pattern paper like me, you want to be sure to be mindful of how your pattern's running, because I had to flip mine around so that when I cut it, it would cut the right direction, or my words would have been upside down. So we're just going to add some double-sided adhesive to the flaps. Now the dies score the lines for you, so it's easy to do this. Once you have the adhesive on the flaps, then you just go ahead and adhere them to the sides of the envelope. Then run a piece of adhesive down the center of those and close it up. I'm going to put some adhesive on this bottom flap here, and you want to be mindful. You don't want to put that all over the bottom flap. In other words, don't run it all the way to the crease, because if you do, it's going to end up closing off the bottom of your envelope a little bit. So you want that to be open so everything slides in. So off screen, I went ahead and ran a piece of acetate through my die cut machine with the candy jar die so I can have a window to close that shaker up. And then I just used some Gina Connect glue to adhere that to the back. I added my mounting foam to create the shaker, making sure there were no gaps in between the foam. I am adding a sticker. Now, this idea came to me because I see all these gorgeous jars and they'll have pearls or gems in them holding makeup brushes up. So this idea came to me from that. And I just added the sticker from the kit to the back panel I had cut out. And I'm going to close up my shaker. I used the unicorn tears from Trinity Stamps. They're beautiful iridescent gems on the inside of that. Now I went ahead and cut the For You sentiment and With Love sentiment from this die set out of gold foil paper to use on our envelope and the insert. Now for the insert, I went ahead and used that scallop panel, and I'm not making a card. I'm just creating an insert because I just need it to hold a gift card. And once I die cut that out of the pattern paper that you see there, I ran that piece back through the die cut machine so that I could create the slots for my gift card holder. Now that die comes with this set also. So I'm just going to go ahead and stack some of these together. And the only reason I'm doing this is just to give it a little bit of weight. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but that's what it'll look like there. I just made a little makeshift gift card so you guys could see where those little slots are. Now, when you're doing gluing this together, be sure you lift those slots up so that you don't accidentally glue them down. I'm going to go ahead and add the For You right below that gift card. I'm just using liquid adhesive. So I'm going to go ahead now. I want to kind of ground this jar a little bit. It looks like it's just floating in the middle of the envelope. So I'm using some stickers from the kit to do that. I just used the lipstick, the perfume, and that little diamond down there. It kind of just, grounds that jar a little bit. And then I used the Why Not sentiment from the kit also. And then the With Love was one of the sentiments I cut from the die set. I just added that across the top. And I think that pretty much, that's it. We're done. I mean, it's so easy to use this kit. Now the back here, I used gold brads to act as a closure for mine, and I used gold ribbon with it. So I could just wrap that gold ribbon around the larger brad to close it, but you can use tape on this also. It's completely up to you how you want to go about it. And this thing can be used for so many things. Okay, so I really do appreciate you joining me today. I know it was a quick one. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll click that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new content to this channel. As always, know how much I appreciate you taking the time to watch. And until next time, keep crafting.